Right, guys, so in this lesson, I'll deep dive into cost per lead, cost stability, and return from the investment for cold emailing as a channel. We'll go through this topic in 3 back-to-back lessons. And in this lesson, I'll focus on price stability for cold emailing. So almost everything got more expensive, and cold emailing actually got cheaper. Okay, so follow me along and I will show you how in 2021 you had to pay around 5,500, and now for the same setup you will pay around 400 bucks. So if you want to have your cold email infrastructure with a backup, it does not necessarily entail extra cost, because if you're prepared for that, your cost to reach a prospect will actually remain the same. Okay, and how to do that? We'll actually cover that part in a technical lesson, so no worries and just follow. So next point of the price stability is actually the price per contact or per prospect, because with email, you can realistically reach out anyone who uses email address. And in terms of cold emailing, reaching out to prospect is pretty stable in terms of price, especially when you compare it to, for example, ads. In ads, you may encounter spikes of prices, and that can actually be even like 10x of a price if you are competing on very crowded market. And this remains especially true for niche or very competitive segments. For ads, it's also true that the price change depending on how many people competes for a particular spot. All of that is not the case in terms of cold emailing, because you have better predictability and better stability with this channel. Better predictability of your costs means better stability for your revenue. Let's just go back to the example I mentioned earlier with the setup and the cost. In 2021, to get 10 mailboxes, you would have to pay around 500 bucks. So it means 50 bucks per mailbox. And currently, sequences, as Woodpecker, offer unlimited mailboxes. Now the bigger part of the cost is actually getting people you can reach out to, so prospects. And back in 2021, I would say the average cost for verified contacts, so email address, would be around 0.5 USD. It means that if you want to reach out to 10K prospects, your cost is roughly around 5,000. Today, in Woodpecker, for 10,000 prospect leads, you have to pay 219 bucks. All of those prospects are verified. Now let's put it all together. 2021, and you want to reach out to 10K people. It means for mailboxes, it's roughly 500 bucks. Then for the prospect list, which is verified, you have to pay around 5K. So in total, your cost looks like around 5,500 bucks. Let's look at the cost for 10K prospects today. With unlimited mailboxes, you'll have to pay around 188 to reach out to 10K prospects. 219 bucks to find 10K prospect list. So if we sum it up, it's around 400 bucks to reach out to 10K prospects total. Of course, in both of those cases, you will need to have mailboxes to send. So right now, you can get it directly from Woodpecker, and it got cheaper than ever because you can get one mailbox as low as $4 a month. So I showed you that the price per cold email is very stable, if you, of course, plan it properly and you have all set up. And then that actually cold emailing gets cheaper and cheaper, and it's for sure way cheaper than it was in 2021. You could say that in terms of price, cold emailing is more accessible than ever. But I'll dive more into setup and costs and everything that is around it in the next lesson. So stay tuned.